Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. Today we are working on the hay baler, just doing a bunch of odds and ends, trying to get the chore list knocked down, of course. What's left on the hay baler, I got to get a few more of them pickups. Those are the wrong ones. So I got a few more to replace. I got, they're just kind of sporadic. And then I got to put these barrels back on. But before I do that, you can see back in there where it's missing. I've got to fabricate. All they are little legs for these things, like right here, to bolt onto. So these they go in just like that. And how they have two holes, a couple different holes actually, up here. All they do is screw on the bottom and screw on the top. But there's legs that go down to fasten to, and they're not there. I have to fabricate them. So I am going to attempt that. Hopefully I can get it done. I'm just going to use this 1-inch pipe right here, take and cut it to whatever length I need, and then I have a little pipe bender, not a tubing bender, but a pipe bender, and those legs have to have a little bit of a bend to them. So they kind of look, like that, and then they're flat on the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to try to do that. Do a little welding, see if I can get those. I got 4 of them to do. Top ones are a little different. Them I could probably I don't have to put a bend on them. So let's see if we can go ahead and get that done. First thing is I gotta grab a measurement and see how far these things are gonna come down. So let's grab that measurement. They need to be at least 11¼ inches. One needs to be about 8 inches. 11¼ inches. About all the bend I need. You can see it. Okay, so these are my pieces. That one's a little warm. And they'll set down on that. I'll weld that on there. Then this end will get welded on the pipe that runs along the back side. Then I'll have to trim down that a little bit and drill 2 holes for the undercarriage of those barrels. So that's how it's going to set. So let's get this welded up. So it'll sit like that. I'll trim this up quite a bit actually. And drill the 2 holes and that'll be it. All right, so that's the legs. Got the little bit in them. This is perfect. So, all right, so I only had to make 2 of those. The other 2 I can just weld on plates on the bottom. It looks like they just got sheared off. I might have to put little pieces on there that I can weld to. But right now we're gonna run up to the pig barn. So I'll meet you guys up there.
On your way home.
No, I don't think so. Alright, you want to put the lids on there? Okay. Okay, we are back down at the shop. It's like 2 days later from being up at the pig barn. Hope you guys enjoyed that video up there. It's kind of every time we go up there in the evening, we have to work the pigs, so that's kind of what we do. But anyways, I'll give you an update on the meat birds here, and also this heat board, I guess you want to call it, brooder board or whatever. It's good now. They'll get underneath of it now. But when they're small, they want to stay together. So, not sure, maybe if it was only these in the brooder, that's what would probably help out, but I would have to have at least 5 or 6 of these to go around. So these guys are a couple weeks old now, and they're getting big. They're about baseball size right now, but a little bit bigger. See, they're kind of under there now. But they still want to get underneath the heat lamps. And the turkeys are doing good. They're almost softball size. Now I am going to have to put a net over top of this, probably just chicken wire, because they are starting to jump and fly, and I don't want them to get out and get cold. So, all right guys, what we're going to do next here is finish the pickups on this hay baler. I got a few more to do. I had to order some parts that I gotta wait on about a week, but I can at least get these pickups done. So I got a few more of these to put on. I finally got that hay cleaned out. It's all over here. But I'm gonna work on over here getting all these pickups replaced that need replaced. Then I'll move over here and try to get these barrels off, or guards they call them. But I have to grind up underneath there. And then showed you earlier on the video, I made the 2 feet that I need for right there in that space. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse and we're gonna get at it. It's a little tight right there. Alright. So all I got left is to do over there. Left some of these in here. They're still pretty good. I mean, they're a little bent, but they'll still pick hay up. These things are like $5 a piece. So if you look at all of them, there's quite a bit on there. I don't want to dump too much money into this thing. Oh, it looks like I got 2 more to do right here. But I mainly wanted to pick up hay about right here anyhow. Very seldom, but it'll be running over here, and hardly ever it'll run over there. It depends. If you put it right in the center and it's good windrows, you'll get good bales. So, but I'm tired of sitting on this concrete floor. It hurts my bum, and I want to get walking around a little bit here. Whew. Sitting on that cold concrete floor isn't very fun. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Go ahead and end this video right here. But we got a little bit more to do on the baler, and I'll keep you guys up to date with those chickens and turkeys and layers. And we are going to start working pretty good on the hay barn, getting the floor in there, and then start scoping it out, put the loft, finish the loft across, and get that chicken coop done. So right now the weather sucks. It's, like I said, 38 degrees out, raining, snowing. It's May 2nd. I don't know what to do. I guess that's Northeast Ohio. So, but towards the end of the week, we're gonna have good weather. So hopefully we can get back to work outside and get doing a lot more funner things than working in the shop. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.